Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Ahmed and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile in just few simple steps. Okay, first open your Facebook Lite app, then tap your avatar here, then tap three dots, then tap lock profile, then tap lock your profile, then hit OK. And as you can see here, you locked your profile. But keep in mind the lock profile option is not available in all countries, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video, bye.